present about our project surveillance drone. So we all know what surveillance means. It means to keep check for any activity in a particular place with the help of a camera. And our surveillance drone is built especially for police and military forces.
So an example of using it in police forces is like if you want to check if anyone's related with any criminal activity, you can use thermal imaging to locate and track them. And in military forces, you can use to see if anyone is crossing the country border. So now I'll be telling you about the specifications of the drone, or in other words, what the drone is capable of and about the different components of the drone. So let's start off with the overall specifications. So this drone is a quadcopter because it has 4 arms, so hence the name quadcopter. The weight of this drone is 1 kg and the average speed of the drone is 60 kilometers per hour. So now this is the frame, the base. The base of the drone is the frame. So this frame type used in this drone is glass fiber and the measurement from here to here is 550 millimeters. So now the motors. The motors used in this drone is brushless motors. It's a 810 kilovolts. It helps in rotating the propeller. The propeller is maximum 10 inches in this drone and propellers help in moving the drone faster or easily. So then there's the electronic speed controller here. The electronic speed controller helps in controlling the speed of the drone and keeping it in a uniform motion. It takes 30 amp for the electronic speed controller in this drone to keep the drone going. Then is a flight controller over here. The flight controller is like the brains of the drone. So the flight controller is connected to the transmitter and the wires are connected to the flight controller. So whatever signal you send from the transmitter, it is taken to the flight controller and the flight controller sends the signals to the components. Then the camera. The camera is of 12 megapixels here and it can record videos with audio and it can capture images. Then the GPS helps to locate the drone if it is lost. And then the battery is of LiPo battery, full form lithium polymer. So there are many batteries of lithium components like lithium, cobalt oxide, LiCO02. Here we are using LiPo batteries, lithium polymer. So that was about the specifications of the drone. Now the motions of the drone. So there are 4 motions: vertical motion, sideways motion, forward motion and rotating motion. So vertical motion is the up and down movement of the drone. So when the mechanism behind going up and down, like if the drone is going up, then the speed of all the motors will together increase, and going down it will decrease slightly. And to make it sideways, front or back, say you want to make it go right, so these 2 right propellers will gain more speed than the other 2, which will make the drone move towards this side. Similarly for left, and the same principle applies for front and back. And then the rotating motion is like a complex motion. So it, in simple words, in such a way, like the electrical wires and circuits connected act in such a way that it makes the drone rotate.
And I am going to explain about what is the transmitter and the VR goggle. So this transmitter is connected to the drone. So when this 2 joystick is, you can see in any normal transmitter. So when we push it up, it's gonna be resting. When you push it down, it's gonna be lowering. And when we push it in the left side, it's gonna be yawing motion. When you put it in the left side, yawing motion. And it also yawing motion is also called as rotating motion. And when we push it forward, it's gonna go in forward motion. When it's gonna push it backwards, it's gonna be backward motion. And when we push it down in the left side, it's gonna be left side. And when we push it here, it's gonna be right side.
So if I turn on the camera,
you have to wear and see.
Yeah.
It comes with the
You
battery
can see it
pack.
with this. So if we are controlling the drone rotating, and you can see it, we are goggles.
And that's the battery source.
The surveillance
area.
group.
Yeah.
Camera is the camera is the camera